All right, 2008 Toyota Camry. Let me guys show you something here. So let me crank it. I'm sorry because my flashlight. Okay, I crank it. This Toyota Camry 2008. So when I hit the gas, the customer he said, when I hit the gas, it's not responded, nothing. See the gas pedal, the RPM goes up a little bit, and see, nothing responded, nothing. Okay, the RPM goes up and down by itself. So the car has a code for throttle body. So the throttle body is nothing wrong with it. And let me show you something here. The fuse. So this fuse was blowing out. This one, 10. That fuse is out, and that's why the car doesn't take gas. See, the fuse is out. Zooming, cannot see that. See, the fuse is out. It's 10. So I have another fuse 10. Let me put it in. Okay. This one. Number 10, the fuse is out. Let's go and then check it. What will happen, because I already checked all the fuse, so I found it that fuse was out. So let me turn it off, the engine. Yeah, there you go. All right guys, so the problem was the fuse was out. And if this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.